Hello and welcome to the Crypto Law Weekly. This week, Coinbase confirmed what we've long suspected. Some of its employees were selling customer data to hackers who then reach out to Coinbase customers knowing very secretive, sensitive information about their Coinbase account to gain the Coinbase customers' trust and then ultimately steal all their money. We personally know a few victims that this has happened to. Coinbase says it's setting aside a victim relief fund. It's the first time they've admitted any fault to this ongoing scheme, and we're hoping they really come good and help their victims recover because this was completely negligent.
Big news this week. Coinbase Global has made history as the first crypto company to join the S&P 500, replacing Discover Financial on May 19th. Shares skyrocketed 24% after the announcement, as this marks a crucial step towards mass adoption for the crypto industry. From SEC battles to mainstream acceptance, inclusion in one of the world's largest indexes reflects Coinbase's dominance and crypto's growing role in finance. Analysts call it a game changer, with billions in potential inflows. And now, millions of Americans will have exposure to Bitcoin without even knowing it. Stay tuned for more updates from Hotter Law.
In our next story, Eric Trump is taking a Bitcoin mining company public. The company, American Bitcoin, is merging with Gryphon Digital Mining. And once the merger is complete, Eric Trump plus HUD 8 will retain a 98% control over the newly formed company. This comes just days after Howard Lutnick announced these fast-track mining permits for American Bitcoin companies. So yeah, first we get a policy announcement and then we get a Trump-led IPO. I guess the saying is true. There's no interest like self-interest. But I think what's good for Bitcoin is good for the world. So overall, I'm not mad at this at all. As for the price prediction, last week we predicted 105K. We came in at 104K today. Not bad, not our best week, but still pretty close. Next week we're going down to 103K. Why? Well, we see a few indicators that look like there's some consolidation. Mostly MicroStrategy stock is down 10 points, and that seems to be the biggest leading indicator for Bitcoin lately that we can tell. Also, Bitcoin ETF holdings went down a fair bit this past week. It's like all these, they maybe took some profits, but institutions are pausing a little after weeks of accumulation. The Fear and Greed Index on Binance is still high, but it's dropped a little as well. It dropped 2 points down to 71. So sentiment's cooling, and there's also a huge spike in unconfirmed transactions, like a massive spike. So it might mean some congestion in the network, or maybe some of this op return wars are heating up, but either way, it's a little bit of uncertainty. So yeah, let's see, 103K next week. What do you think, higher or lower? Let us know in the comments.